Sailing in the sun. Your position become close from where you are, middle C, and left hand next to it, which is on the B. So when you see the rest, you make sure you also have to off the key by lifting your wrist up. Hang your wrist upwards. Start from right hand C. Ready, set, go. C, go down to G, rest. C twice, go up to D, B, go down to G, rest. D twice. Now E, skip, go up to rest. F twice. E, skip, go up. D, skip, rest. C twice. Now G, 1 and 3 times. G, 2, 2 and 4. G, 2 and 4. E, skip, go up to F, skip, go up to F. E, skip, D, skip, rest. C twice. Now I'm gonna sing. You follow me. Ready, set, go. Come, go, sailing, rest with me. Exciting, rest. You say to what a feeling, rest so free. When you sailing, rest the sea soft. Feel the wind blow in your hair. Grow louder.